How does an AI actually measure distance? Look at these two dots. If you want to know the separation between them, you have to find a way to measure this empty space. Instinctively, we trace a direct, unbending path from point A to point B. That straight line is Euclidean distance. It is the absolute shortest route you can draw between two locations. This simple straight line forms the basis for how computers, databases, and AI models calculate physical and conceptual space. To measure that line, we impose structure onto the void. By overlaying a Cartesian coordinate grid, our points rest on precise intersections. We map the first dimension by moving strictly horizontally along the x-axis from the blue point, stopping exactly beneath the red point. From there, we track the second dimension of difference, moving straight upward to meet the red point, locking into a 90-degree corner. The shape left behind is a right triangle. That original straight line distance is the diagonal hypotenuse connecting the two ends. Any diagonal path across a structured space can be completely isolated and measured by splitting it into strict horizontal and vertical movements. To find the exact length of that hypotenuse, mathematicians rely on a mechanism from classical geometry, the Pythagorean theorem. Let's isolate the triangle to see how this works. We begin by taking the horizontal base and drawing a literal geometric square extending outward from it. Next, we take the vertical edge and draw a second geometric square stretching out from its side. If you melt those two smaller squares down and combine their areas, they perfectly form one large square attached to the diagonal edge of the triangle. To find the length of the straight line distance, you take the square root of that massive combined area, collapsing it back down to a single line. The intimidating algebraic formula for Euclidean distance is a direct, literal translation of these expanding and collapsing geometric squares. We can prove this by plugging concrete numbers into the equation. Let's assign our blue starting point to the coordinates 1, 2, and our red endpoint to 4, 6. The formula first calculates the structural differences. Subtracting the horizontal coordinates gives us 3, and subtracting the vertical coordinates gives us 4. Now we square those differences, mathematically multiplying each by itself. The 3 becomes a 9, and the 4 becomes a 16. Next, we combine the areas. Adding the 9 and the 16 gives us 25. Finally, taking the square root of 25 yields exactly 5. We have our total distance. Any winding, jagged, or grid-following path between these two coordinates will always result in a length greater than 5. Through basic arithmetic, we extract an infallible, exact measurement of the shortest route between two objects anywhere on a flat plane. Flat planes only cover two dimensions. If we tilt this plane backward and shoot a z-axis into deep perspective, we introduce a third dimension, volume. The math used to measure distance through this 3D box remains identical. We simply append the third dimension squared difference directly to the end of the equation. The real test of this logic is what happens when we leave physical reality behind. Modern algorithms map data across 10, 100, or even 768 dimensions, spaces human perception cannot visualize. Even as the coordinate axes multiply into an impossibly dense web, the formula scales without friction. It continues to append new coordinate differences, running on indefinitely. We cannot picture a 1,000-dimensional space in our heads, yet the geometric logic holds, producing a mathematically perfect straight line through the abstraction. Modern computer science uses this abstraction to evaluate complex information. In a vector database, documents, images, and audio files are stripped down to abstract data vectors, floating as directional arrows in high-dimensional space. To determine how two pieces of data relate to one another, the system calculates the Euclidean distance between them. A smaller numerical distance means the data points are clustered tightly together. In the language of artificial intelligence, spatial proximity translates directly to semantic similarity. From two isolated dots in an empty void to the legs of a right triangle, through the Pythagorean theorem, and out into infinite dimensions, Euclidean distance provides the digital world with a reliable, timeless mechanism for finding the shortest path between any two ideas.